Today another video is brought to you by Everyday Take for Today. Before we start, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell next to you so you get notified every single time we post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to smash that like button. It will encourage us to make more videos for you. Today's topic is about Apple Watch Series 6. We're gonna explore it, see how it works, and get a little creative with it. Let's see. Apple Watch Series 6. The future of your health is on your wrist. So your blood oxygen level is a key indicator of your overall wellness. It can help you understand how well your body is absorbing the oxygen and the amount of oxygen delivered to your body. The remarkable new sensor and app in the Apple Watch Series 6 allows you to take on demand readings of your blood oxygen as well as the background readings day and night. Your blood oxygen is a breath of fresh innovation, and you have new sensors, new insights. The new blood oxygen sensor is made of 4 LED clusters, 4 photodiodes, so it helps basically to see how it's working, and it's redesigned by crystal new sensors to understand the oxygen level and the deeply illuminating green, red, and infrared LED shine light onto the blood vessel in your wrist on the photodiodes and measure the amount of light reflected back so it can understand the algorithm of it and understand the oxygen that is present in your blood at that moment. You can get your ECG anytime you want, anywhere you are, just in 30 seconds. No need to worry about anything else. Basically, it's a piece for your mind and your doctor's mind. So your finger can tell you a lot about your heart. Just by running down, you can see if you have any serious problem, atrial fibrillation, or irregular heart rhythm, or even a sinus rhythm. So you can catch things before they happen, and it's a lot more safer. You can have a better day begins with a better night. So you can have basically a good night's sleep by understanding how much you fall asleep, how much of it was deep sleep, how much of it wasn't a deep sleep, how many times you wake up, and you can actually put yourself some goals to get better sleeps and try to achieve those. They pushed it harder to push you harder. They made more information for you. They made more precise data for you to understand how many calories, total calories, how many activities, how many moves you have. So you don't have to worry about how much you're doing anything because it's all in your hand and you can calculate everything. You can choose the exercise option you want to have. You can choose to dance, play golf, swim, run, yoga, anything you are in it. No excuses anymore. See how you're doing without missing a bit. So with the always on retina display, now 2.5 times brighter outdoors when your wrist is down. So even while you're exercising in the bright sun, you can easily see your metrics without just having to raise your wrist up and down or breaking your stride. Elevation elevated for more precise metrics as you move. The new always on altimeter cautiously tracks your elevation changes in real time. Indoors and out doesn't matter whether you are hiking up a trail or bumping down a ski run. Motivation is inspiration for your perspiration. So music, podcast, audiobook, you can listen to whatever you want with 70 million songs in Apple Music. What else do you really need, honestly? It has activity rings, activity sharing, competitions, runners, player, competitors. It's awesome for you. I'm gonna recommend it 100%. Fitness Plus. So it also have a warming up. It's gonna come late in the 2020s, but it has introducing a new fitness experience powered by the Apple Watch with the world's most welcoming and knowledgeable trainers, and workout metrics that are transported to your phone, iPad, and Apple TV. So you can basically transfer everything from your phone, all that data, to Apple TV, to your iPad, to your iPhone, and just see what you're doing at that moment. Finishes one case, two case, red case, blue case. New product red and blue aluminum cases join the most colorful lineup. Choose from a range of materials including titanium, stainless steel, 100% recycled, and aluminum. The solo loop Sleep on Something New is an innovative new seamless band that joins the Apple Watch Series 6 lineup without a clasp or a buckle or inside, available in 2 materials, 9 custom sizes tailored to the size on your wrist. It's a space bag, titanium, new gold, stainless steel, and silver aluminum. The sole loop is crafted from a soft, structural silicone rubber. The sole loop is uncomfortable, lightweight, surprisingly easy to um sleep off. So sorry, I think I said uncomfortable. It's actually ultra comfortable. Made a verbally mistake. Okay, braided solo loop. Silicone frames are interwoven with over 60,000 recycled polyester yarn filaments to create a band that's a textural, stretchable. It's beautiful. It's always on better than ever. The always on retina display is now significantly brighter now. Doors on your wrist down so you can see all the information. Watch with more easily than ever. It's always on access. Swipe up, notification center down, control set and tap, complications, wrist down state. No need to wake your watch for simple interactions while you're in a meeting or busy. You can design it the way you want. New faces, customize it, make it your own. Make it the way you like it with your apps, social media, web, app store, Google Play. Everything you want is there. It's for water lovers. You get surfing, forecast, conditions, down patrol, plus data for your sailing, case getting out more waterproof. For the sun and stars, you can see a visualization of days and night cycle, solar watch, while night sky shows you stargazing conditions. For adventurers, knowing what direction you're facing is important. Knowing how much you went is important. So you can get that with this watch. For weather nerds, you can see how much data it has, the humidity, the barometer, pressure, carries weather. For planners, you can plan your day, stay organized, stay on, action focused, fantastical. For photographers, you can understand what time is the sunrise, sunset, lighting conditions with the Lumi, so you are never gonna miss a shot. You have anything you want, you can stay connected anywhere you go. By Apple Watch Series 6, you can keep people and things you care right where you are, no matter where life takes you, with the available cellular, so you can stay connected even if you do not have your phone with you. Phone and message, you can call, text right from your text. You can have Apple Pay to make payments accurately, nothing but your watch. You can have Siri to help you and maps to tell you where to go. It has a family setup. Your family join at your wrist. So with your family setup, you can use your iPhone to pair watches to your children or the adults who do not have their iPhone. So for example, let's say your child doesn't have a phone and you don't want to buy him a phone, just buy him an Apple Watch, pair it up to your phone, then he or she can text, message, walkie-talkie, and you can all stay close, and sure he can do play music, find apps, get closer to his friends, activity rings, independence for them, and at the same time you know that they can call you right away. You can use the AR to set Apple Watch on Series 6. The Fitness Plus Making You Move is coming late in 2020. Any case, any band, any style you want. The cool thing about Apple Watches, which I love honestly, is that you can create your own style. Even if you have an allergy to kind of a material, or you don't like even to wear it, or you feel it doesn't look so cool, you can change that. You can choose how you want your Apple Watch to look like. Before we go, please make sure to check out this Amazon link. You never know what's going to happen. You might end up buying your own. And you also can get some more information by checking out this Amazon link. It's also in the description box below. So do not forget to check it out. The resource I used was www.apple.com. We give them credit for their work. And I can assure the watchers of this video that was the only resource I used. So everything I said was completely reliable from Apple, the Apple side. So you don't have to worry about it. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to check out our other videos and hope to see you soon again.